I'm Joita and I'm from Pune. Recently, I have done the online Pilates course from Bodhi Institute. This Pilates program is a fantastic program. You get to know the anatomy behind the movements, the postures, how to do it right way, and you become more knowledgeable. The myth behind the thing that you cannot get your 6 packs or 8 packs abs without lifting the weights, it's not true. Actually, you can get it through Pilates practice. So I recommend everyone to get this course from Bodhi. The trainers are absolutely fantastic. They help you throughout the journey. Anytime you can ask them. And this Pilates is basically like a moving meditation. You have to be more focused on your movements with your breathing technique. So yes, it is a very good program. Knees pain, spondylitis, joint pains, diabetes, and peptic ulcer even. There are lots of diseases which can be get rid with the practice of the Pilates. So please go get this fantastic program from Bodhi. I thank to everyone